Yes, greetings family. This is Bomanita Imba. We are live on Revolutionary Cam. And there's the tech support mobile right there. Right by the Strong Drink vegan juice bar. And look at the Rasta man chopping up the coconut. That's it family, that's what runs all the technology.
Wow. Yes, I am. Welcome to Strong Drink Vegan Juice Bar.
Yes,
Hi man, that's the Rasta man, known as the Donut Man. Yeah, let's get it.
Yes, brother, love the colors.
Wait.
Love the cultural colors.
What's the big man? What's the big man?
What happened? That's it?
You see the big man there?
Who the one?
Yes,
Who the one to blow? The one to blow, that's it? Who the fat? Rats! What happened, I said?
Don't get it.
What happened, Rats?
It's all love.
Respect, guy.
Yes, Brenton, yes.
Big
Yes. Yes, family. We're here in the historical West End, and it's my good brother Russ Isis. Strong Drink vegan juice bar. So what we're gonna do is take a look on the inside and give our brother enough love and support. And family, if you're here in the historic district here in Atlanta, come through and show some love. As you can see, my brother is sold out. The last few donuts left.
Yes, good day for donut.
Family, don't you just love the colors and the energy and the vibes, making us feel like you're in Africa, right?
Yes. Yeah, Africa must be nice, you know, at home and abroad.
Every time I see my brother, he always got a very satisfied customer smiling and just thinking about the next time they're gonna come back through.
That's me.
This family, you definitely love the vibes, yeah? If you're not, one thing we gotta keep our energy up is the Africa vibes, you know, while we're here in the Americas, yeah? Until we get fully repatriated. So just giving you a view of my good brother's shop here. As you can see, there's a lot of wonderful things going on. It's definitely a nice social community energy. Come and support the operation. Come and just enjoy some good juices and some good vegan donuts and some, you know, some nice good vibes and good energy. You can see this is a true businessman. Got the merchandise on the table. The t-shirts, the hoodies, the caps, all kind of wonderful things. We're gonna take a quick zoom in. And family, what do we have here? We have two wonderful journeys here to the motherland. And this is it, family, one of our historic cards with our semi-annual journeys to the motherland. It say Ghana right now, but when you're on the website, you see more and more other countries mixed in to give you just a full scope and different flavor of the journey of a lifetime to the motherland. So this is what I'm talking about, family. This is entrepreneurship at its finest. And as you can see, the graphics, the colors, your website information, online details. So family, that's my brother's contact information. Definitely just hit him up, reach out to him, connect with him. We have nothing but strong vibes here in this historical district here in the West End here in Atlanta. Yes, Ras Isis, drop some lyrics and some vibes to the people and let the people know more about your business and how you came into this.
Hey, what can I say? I'm here for my people, you know, and nothing's ever going to deter me from that. From healing my people, from rising my people up, from mental, from physical, even spiritual levels. I want to rise my people up into their greatness, you know? That's why we do what we do. To the powers of the Most High.
Excellent, let's
What's going on, Louis?
Hey, what's going on?
let's greetings, brother, greetings.
Yeah, man. Love that shirt, man.
Oh man, appreciate
Oh,
it.
man, look at
I
it.
tell you, man, when you come here, you could have swear you was in African family. Look at this dashiki right
Black
there.
History Month. man.
Yes,
You know what I'm saying?
same.
That's what I see. That's how we're supposed to do it. You see how you do that? The same. You have to give it forward.
Right.
You know what I mean? You can't just let me just bless you with the happy.
Right. I was
You know?
saying to you, please.
Yes, we have to. Yes,
Yes.
that's the key. We gotta pass that forward. You know.
Right.
Happy Black History Month. You got 28 days to be thankful and happy. Let's get it. Let's
Right.
be thankful.
Every day.
Every day. But these days right here, it's like we don't take fulfillment and take them for granted. These 28. Because these 28 are the days we should celebrate those before us.
Right.
Okay. Not just ignore them and say we're gonna do our thing for 365.
Right.
Let's take 28 to acknowledge all the greatness. You know what I mean? Who came before us, and that's really what it's about, you know?
Okay, I feel that.
Yeah.
I feel that.
Yes,
I feel that. I feel that. Thank you.
That's love, man.
All
Good to
day.
see you, kid, man. Yes, indeed.
Anybody say what's up and
Okay, yeah, we got a few donut cinnamon rolls. They're right now the donuts today.
You hear the family, the man said them wipe them out of donuts.
Oh, the donuts.
Wipe them out of donuts, so you must come soon.
Hey, but you know, a new day is a new donut.
I love it.
Yes, indeed.
Alright, family, we will connect with you on the next link. And once again, this is Bomani Time live on Revolutionary Champ, and we are broadcasting wonderful entrepreneurship of our brother Ross Isaac at his incredible juice bar with the vegan dream donuts and all the wonderful energy that he has in here. And also, family, don't forget, family, we gotta get you to the motherland. We try to bring as much vibes of Africa in America, but there's nothing like reconnecting to the ancestral land for straight up nation building.
I was choosing